Hey guys, what's up? Well, we're working on a transmission today, and I'm just going to show you the difference. We're into it a little bit, but I'm going to show you the difference on what we're taking apart and what we're putting together. I had a short tail shaft transmission out of a motorhome. This is the tail shaft that goes on it. Tail shaft housings. Here's the tail shaft out of the motorhome, and there's the actual tail shaft that's going in it. So we're going to take this over. Oh, hey everybody, say hi to Dad. That's my dad. Hello. He's been doing these transmissions, here you go, since they were new, so I've got him working on this one. I'm not really going to go through a whole lot of how to do it. There's a bunch of people that have gone into these transmissions on other YouTube channels, and I just don't think that needs to be covered again. The only thing that I am doing that's a little different, because I see everybody else, they do their front pumps a bit different than we do. So I've got a little short segment already filmed of us taking the front pump out of this. You'll see that here in just a minute. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and start putting this thing back together, and I'll see you guys in a little while. See, now I've seen guys use a slide hammer on these, but, oh, let's see. Those two holes in that pump are threaded, and they're threaded, what, 3/8?
3/8, yeah.
Yeah. And instead of using a slide hammer, if you just thread those in and tighten them up, they push the pump out. It's a lot easier than beating one side or another with a slide hammer, I think. Let's see what happens. Wow.
Just about out.
Yep.
If you had a little bit longer bolts, it'd be better. This will work.
Yeah, I think it's coming. It'll push it out. I may have to find one that size right there. It's going to be close, but you can see how that's pushing that pump out. Ooh.
Might be enough.
Oh, how much more? All right. And then you just pull that out by the bolts, and it saves a lot of hassle with using a slide hammer. Well, we got her all back together. Clutches look good. Everything looks good on the inside. We got the new tail shaft on, so that's all good. I got the pan setting on it, so it's just resting on there because we still have our Transgo shift kit to put in. But clutches all, like I said, clutches all look good. Everything looked good. So I ain't gonna have to do much of this transmission now except for the shift kit. So yeah. Like I said, I didn't really go through everything. You know, I'm not good at teaching. I'm not a teachy person. If you guys want to know how to rebuild one of these things, Blake and J-Bo at Bad Tree Productions, they got that shit on lockdown. You guys can check them out. I may actually put a link to their channel. I'm sure everybody knows them. But yeah, you want to learn how to rebuild a 727, they go step by step through it. I'm not that guy. All right. Well, I guess that's all for right now. You know what I always like, share, subscribe. If not, I don't give a